Let's take a look at some rules of probability, and specifically I want to talk about the idea of the complement of an event. Now, the complement of an event is defined as a set of possible outcomes in the sample space that do not belong to the event of interest. It's everything outside of the event of interest. Given an event labeled as A, the complement of A is denoted as, we use A with a superscript of C for A complement. Now, let's take a look at a quick example what exactly that means. Suppose the event A was defined as observer freshman. So, the event A, observer freshman, there's 66 in there. So the probability of event A, if event A is observer freshman, is 66 out of the total 280. Now the complement is everything else. So this would be the complement of A. That's everything else that can happen. The probability of A complement, well, if there's 66 that were in A, then there's going to be 280 minus 66, or 214 that are in the complement, divided by 280. So that's going to be the probability of the complement of the event. Likewise, if we said the event we're interested in was somebody who worked less than or equal to 5 hours, then the complement is going to be everything else. Now, the probability of A, less than or equal to 5 hours, is going to be, there's 63 divided by the total 280. That means the probability of the complement of A is going to be 217. That's the sum of all these others, divided by 280. This is the complement. If this is event A, then this area here, everything else, is the complement of A. We can think of that in terms of Venn diagram. Sometimes seeing a Venn diagram really helps picture what's going on. If this is my entire sample space, this box represents everything in my universe. If I say that this is what I'm referring to as the event A, then A complement is everything else outside of it. Now, it could be that there's event B that looks like this. Part of B right here is inside of A, and part of B is outside of A. So that means that part of B is in the complement of A, and part of B is inside of A. There could be some other event, perhaps event C, where event C doesn't overlap with A or B. All of C is in the complement of A. So anyway, there's a quick Venn diagram to help you visualize what it means to be the complement. If I have some event that I'm interested in, the complement is simply everything else. That's it.